A to Z, come sing with me. It's fun to learn, just wait and see. A is for apple, red and round, rolling and bouncing all over the ground. B is for ball, that bounces so high, it zooms like a rocket up in the sky. C is for cat, with a purr so sweet, she chases her tail and lands on her feet. D is for dog, with a wagging tail, he runs through the park and follows the trail. Come along, sing with glee, it's the alphabet from A to Z. Each letter has its magic sound in the singing, learning round. E is for elephant, big and gray, he swings his trunk and splashes all day. F is for frog, leaping in the rain, jumping on lily pads again and again. G is for giraffe, so tall and proud, her head peeks up above the cloud. H is for helicopter, spinning blades, flying through skies and mountain shades. I is for ice cream, yummy and cool, melting away by the swimming pool. J is for jelly, wobbly and bright, it jiggles and dances left and right. K is for kite, flying up so high, painting rainbows in the sky. L is for lion, strong and brave, roaring loud in a jungle cave. Come along, clap with me, learning letters is easy as can be. Dance around, sing and say, we love the alphabet every day. M is for monkey, swinging on trees, tossing bananas in the breeze. N is for nest, cozy and neat, home to baby birds, soft and sweet. O is for octopus, deep in the sea, wiggling 8 arms so happily. P is for penguin with a tuxedo suit, he slides on the ice, how cute. Q is for queen with a crown so grand, she waves hello across the land. R is for rocket, blasting to space, zooming past stars in a cosmic race. S is for snake, slithering low, through the grass he moves so slow. T is for train, with a clickety-clack, chugging along on a curvy track. U is for umbrella on a rainy day, it keeps us dry as we splash and play. V is for violin, playing a tune, under the stars and silver moon. W is for whale, splashing with joy, singing a song with a fishy convoy. X is for xylophone, clink and chime, playing music, keeping time. Y is for yak, furry and strong, marching through mountains all day long. Z is for zebra, striped black and white, dancing in the meadow till the night. Now you know your ABCs, from buzzing bees to deep blue seas. Every letter, every rhyme, let's sing again one more time.